So, how many of you battle with this on a daily basis? Worry, fear, doubt. Of course you battle with it. You are human, it's normal. But how do you deal with it? How do you replace all of this with some positive self-talk? It's very simple. You take all of those negative thoughts that you have, write it on a piece of paper, and write down 3 positive things that you can do to alleviate that negative object or that negative mindset that you had. So we have the self-talk, right? So mental clutter is something that's telling us, don't do this. I'm scared to do this. There's a lot of fear in me. So we want to get rid of that fear within yourself, and those limitations that you put on yourself, no one else is doing it to you except you. So you create the limitations, you create the fear. So let's help you get out of that mental clutter state and groom you into how you can handle mental clutter. Connect with me, Nolan at straighttalkwithnolan.com.